The blended fibers turn into a thick, liquid pulp. The mixture flows through large industrial pipes.
The pulp is spread into thin, flat sheets. Heavy rollers press and shape the material. The sheets slowly take a uniform...
Serial numbers are printed on each note. Every bill receives a unique identity. Numbers appear in sequence. The ink stands out clearly. No two notes are the same.
Money enters the world.